So you've probably seen Pi Network floating around social media or maybe heard a friend mention it. But what exactly is it? At its core, Pi Network is a new kind of digital currency designed to be accessible to everyone. The project started in 2019 by a team of Stanford alumni who noticed a big problem with first-generation cryptos like Bitcoin. They were hard for average people to join. You needed expensive hardware, tons of technical knowledge, and massive electricity just to participate. Pi set out to change all of that. The big idea is simple: mine crypto from your smartphone. No complicated setups, no draining your battery, no computer science degree required. The vision: the world's most inclusive peer-to-peer ecosystem powered by Pi. Not just a coin for a few early adopters, but distributed among millions globally. Give more people a stake in the digital economy. All right, so you're interested. Let's get down to the practical stuff. How do you actually start mining Pi? The process is refreshingly straightforward and user-friendly. First, grab your smartphone, iOS, Android. Head to the App Store, Google Play Store, search for Pi Network. Download the official app. Installation is quick and uses very little space on your device. Once installed, create your account. Sign up with Facebook. Sign up with your phone number. Pi is built on the principle of one person, one account. Using a real identifier prevents bots and bad actors, which ensures a fairer distribution for everyone. After signing up, create a password. Set up your profile. It's a simple, guided process that takes a couple minutes. Now for the main event, the mining. On the home screen, you'll see a lightning bolt icon. Tap that button once to start. That's it. Seriously. A 24-hour mining session begins and you start accumulating Pi. When most people hear crypto mining, they immediately think of Bitcoin. They picture massive warehouses filled with thousands of specialized computers running 24/7, solving complex mathematical problems, consuming incredible amounts of electricity. This proof-of-work model was revolutionary when it first came out, but it's also notoriously inefficient and environmentally costly. The energy consumed by Bitcoin mining is comparable to that of entire countries, which has raised serious concerns about its long-term sustainability as the network continues to grow and demand more power. Pi Network takes a fundamentally different approach, and it's a smarter fit for modern digital currency. Instead of proof of work, Pi uses an algorithm based on the Stellar Consensus Protocol, SCP. SCP doesn't need massive computation to secure the network. It relies on a web of trust between users. It's extremely lightweight, so you can mine on your phone without it getting hot or your battery draining fast. That difference is a game changer for environmental sustainability. A crypto project is only as strong as its community, and this is where Pi Network truly excels. Since its launch in 2019, the network has experienced explosive growth, attracting over 45 million engaged users from nearly every country in the world. These users, known as pioneers, are not just passively holding a token. They are active participants in building the ecosystem. This massive, diverse, and passionate community is arguably Pi's greatest asset. It provides a solid foundation for network effects where the value of the platform increases as more people join and start using it. This community isn't just large, it's incredibly supportive. Within the Pi app, you'll find chat rooms, connect with other pioneers, ask questions, learn more about the project. These channels are often moderated by experienced users who are happy to help newcomers get started. This collaborative environment stands in stark contrast to the often toxic and competitive nature of other crypto communities. The focus here is on education and collective growth, with everyone working together towards a shared goal, building a useful and widely adopted digital currency for everyday people. In a digital world filled with bots and fake accounts, proving you are a real, unique human is a huge challenge. Pi Network tackles this head-on with a mandatory Know Your Customer or KYC process. KYC can be a hassle, but for a network like Pi, it's absolutely essential. The goal is to ensure that every account belongs to a distinct individual, upholding one person, one account. This prevents malicious actors from creating thousands of fake accounts to unfairly accumulate Pi and undermine fair distribution. Another feature that enhances security is the security circle. After a few mining sessions, the app will prompt you to build your security circle, a group of 3 to 5 people you trust who are also on the Pi network. By adding them to your circle, you vouch for their authenticity. These circles interlock, creating a global trust graph that secures the ledger. So, we've walked through what Pi Network is, how it works, and what makes it different. We've seen its eco-friendly approach to mining, its massive and supportive community, innovative security features, KYC, security circles. It's clear this isn't just another flavor-of-the-month crypto project. Pi is a long-term endeavor with a bold vision to put the power of cryptocurrency into the hands of ordinary people and to build a decentralized digital economy accessible to everyone, everywhere. It prioritizes people over pure profit. User feedback highlights ease of use and a strong sense of community. One pioneer mentioned, "I knew nothing about crypto, but Pi made it so easy to get started. Tapping a button once a day is all it takes. I love being part of a global community working towards a common goal. Are you ready to be a part of it? Getting started is free, easy, and takes less than a minute. All you need is your phone. Join a global movement of over 45 million people. When you sign up, use invitation code BLUELEO. Your gateway is a tap away. Minapi.com/BlueLeo.